You walk past them every day, in forests, on old trees, sometimes even growing in your backyard. And yet, you ignore them, because nobody told you the truth. Not all healing comes from pills. Not all medicine comes in bottles. Some of the most powerful natural healers on Earth are mushrooms. Ancient civilizations knew this. They used them for immunity, brain power, energy, even survival. But over time, we forgot. And what replaced them? Expensive supplements, processed health products, and synthetic fixes. Today, we bring them back. These are 20 forgotten mushrooms that can transform your body in ways most people never expect. 20. Turkey tail. It doesn't look powerful. Just a small, colorful mushroom growing on dead wood. But inside, a hidden immune weapon. Turkey tail is packed with compounds that help your body fight infections, support gut health, and even assist in recovery from serious illnesses. In some countries, it's used alongside modern treatments. Most people walk past it. Smart people don't. 19. Lion's mane. This one looks strange, like a white, shaggy brain hanging from a tree. But that's not a coincidence. Lion's mane is one of the only natural substances known to support brain cell growth. It can improve memory, boost focus, even help with anxiety and mental fog. If your brain feels slow, this mushroom wakes it up. 18. Reishi. They call it the mushroom of immortality. That alone should tell you something. Reishi has been used for thousands of years to reduce stress, improve sleep, and strengthen the immune system. It doesn't work like caffeine. It works deeper, calming your system, balancing your body, helping you recover, instead of just pushing through. 17. Chaga. Looks like burnt charcoal on a tree. Ugly, hard, easy to ignore. But chaga is one of the most antioxidant-rich substances on Earth. It fights inflammation, supports skin health, protects your cells from damage. People used to drink it as tea in freezing climates just to survive harsh conditions. Today, it's forgotten. 16. Cordyceps. This one is wild. It grows on insects. Yes, really. But what it does for humans is even crazier. Cordyceps boosts energy, stamina, and oxygen use in your body. Athletes love it. Ancient warriors used it. If you feel tired all the time, this might be why. 15. Maitake. Also called hen of the woods. This mushroom supports blood sugar control and metabolism. It helps your body manage energy better. Not spike, then crash. People dealing with fatigue and weight issues often overlook this simple natural fix. 14. Shiitake. You've probably eaten it, but you didn't know its power. Shiitake mushrooms support heart health, reduce inflammation, and strengthen immunity. They're not just food. They're protection. 13. Enoki. Thin, long, delicate. Looks harmless. But enoki is known for supporting the immune system and reducing inflammation. It also contains compounds that may protect your body from abnormal cell growth. Small mushroom. Big impact. 12. Oyster mushroom. One of the easiest mushrooms to grow, and one of the most underrated. Oyster mushrooms can help lower cholesterol, improve heart health, and support your immune system. Cheap, accessible, powerful. 11. Agaricus blazei. Not very famous, but incredibly effective. This mushroom is known for boosting immune function and supporting the body's natural defense systems. It's often used in alternative health practices for serious conditions. 10. Tremella snow mushroom. This one is different. It's known as a beauty mushroom. Tremella helps hydrate your skin from within, improves elasticity, supports anti-aging. Some people call it natural hyaluronic acid, and yet almost nobody talks about it. 9. Poria. Used in traditional medicine for centuries. Poria helps with digestion, reduces water retention, and calms the mind. It's not flashy, but it works quietly and effectively. 8. Wood ear. Looks like a dark, rubbery ear growing on trees. Not appealing, but extremely useful. Wood ear mushrooms help improve blood circulation and support heart health. They've been used for centuries to keep the body flowing smoothly. 7. Morel. One of the most sought-after wild mushrooms. Not just for taste, but for nutrition. Morels are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They support immune health and overall vitality. 6. King trumpet. Thick, meaty, satisfying. But beyond texture, it supports cholesterol control and metabolic health. It's a simple food that quietly improves your internal system. 5. Black fungus. Often overlooked, but powerful for circulation and heart health. It helps keep your blood vessels flexible and healthy. A small addition with long-term benefits. 4. Hedgehog mushroom. Soft, sweet, unique. This mushroom supports digestion and immune function. It's gentle, but effective. 3. Chicken of the woods. Bright orange. Hard to miss. It tastes like chicken, but acts like medicine. Rich in protein and antioxidants. It supports muscle recovery and immune health. Nature's version of a superfood. 2. Artist conch. Looks like a plain shelf mushroom, but inside, it contains compounds that support immune strength and reduce inflammation. It's also used in traditional practices for detox support. Simple outside, powerful inside. 1. Amadou, hoof fungus. This is ancient, used by early humans for survival. It was carried for fire starting, but also used for healing wounds. It has antibacterial properties and was once essential for life. Today, almost nobody knows it. Final thought. Here's the truth most people never hear. The forest is not empty. It's full of medicine, but we've been trained to ignore it. Instead, we chase expensive solutions, quick fixes, synthetic answers. Meanwhile, the real healing has been here all along, waiting. These mushrooms are not magic, but they are powerful. And the moment you start paying attention, you realize something shocking. Nature already solved problems we're still trying to fix. And that realization changes everything. Because once you see it, you can't unsee it. You start questioning the system. Why were these forgotten? Why don't people talk about them anymore? Why are we spending so much money on solutions when simpler ones already exist? The answer isn't simple. Modern life moved fast. Too fast. We traded slow, natural healing for quick results. We replaced ancient knowledge with convenience. We stopped looking down at the forest floor and started looking at labels instead. But something is shifting. People are waking up again. They're going back to nature, back to real food, back to what actually works. And mushrooms are at the center of that shift. Not because they're trendy, but because they're timeless. Think about it. These organisms have survived for millions of years. They adapt. They regenerate. They connect entire ecosystems underground through massive fungal networks. They don't just grow. They communicate. They support. They heal. And when you consume them, you tap into that system. It's not instant like a pill. It's deeper than that. It works with your body, not against it. Slowly improving your immune system, balancing your stress levels, helping your brain function the way it's supposed to. No hype, no shortcuts, just consistent, natural support. But here's the part most people ignore. Not every mushroom is safe. Some can harm you, some can be toxic, and some look almost identical to beneficial ones. That's why knowledge matters. You don't just walk into the wild and pick randomly. You learn, you identify, you respect what you're dealing with. Because this isn't just food. This is nature's pharmacy. And like any powerful system, it requires understanding. Start simple. Look for trusted sources. Use properly identified, safe varieties. Explore them through food, teas, or supplements if needed. You don't need to go extreme. Just start paying attention. Add one. See how your body responds. Then build from there. Because over time, small changes create massive results. More energy, better focus, stronger immunity, calmer mind. Things that people spend years chasing can begin to shift quietly. And the best part? You're not forcing your body. You're supporting it. And maybe that's what we forgot the most. Healing was never meant to be complicated. It was meant to be natural. So next time you see a mushroom growing quietly on a tree, don't ignore it. That might not just be part of the forest. It might be part of the solution.